Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable in silent mode or the don't distribute mode. There's three ways to do this. First, go to your settings, sound profile, and you can choose the silent mode. Next, here you have the don't distribute mode, and you can choose schedule the hours which don't distribute mode gonna be activated automatically. You can choose date, hours manually, and you can tap to activate don't distribute mode exactly in this moment. And if you want, you can activate it on the upper bar. It's gonna be here, don't distribute mode. You can activate it and nobody gonna call you from now. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!